Good everyone. In today's video I will show you how to download Vscode. So for you to download Vscode is a straightforward process. First of all, you move over to your browser. You can use Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, any browser at all. So but there's things that you need to know. First thing is the version of your PC. So for this my own, the version is version Windows 8.1. so for me to download a VS Code that will work for this PC, I need a VS Code for Windows 8.1. So there are other versions of VS Code for Windows 10, Windows 7, and many others. So now what you need to do, you need internet connection. So you need to connect internet to your PC. Okay, let me connect internet to my PC. So now I'm connected. Then I move over. Let me use Chrome. I'll show you. So although I have a VS Code in my PC already, as you can see, this is my VS Code. So as you can see, this is my VS Code, and I have some code in it. So I'm not going to download a new one. I'm just going to show you how to go about the whole process. So let me minimize, then move over to Chrome. So when you get to Chrome, just type anywhere VS Code. Let's say VS Code for Windows 8.1. Then another thing, you can see that there are a series of suggestions by Google. So you have to check if your computer Windows version is 32 bytes or 64 bytes. If you download version 8.1 64 bytes but your Windows version is 32 bytes, it's not going to work. So you have to know the byte in your PC. So you have to check it out. So if you don't know how to check it out, I can do another video to show you how to check or locate where the byte is in your computer to know if your PC is 32 or 64. So that is by the way. For my own, I have Windows 8.1 32 bytes. So I will click on this one. As you can see. So there are a lot of suggestions, that will come up. So let me click on this first one by VS Code. So it's coming up. Let's wait. Okay. So now So this one is from Vscode itself. So now the only thing you need to do here now is go to download. As you can see, go to download, then click on download. So click on download. When you click on download, you can see for Windows 10 and 11. So this one is Windows 10 and 11 installer 64. So this one is for Ubuntu, different version. This one is for Mac. So but if you are using Windows 8 like me, I did not download it from Vscode website. So you have to come here, click on this. So look at it here. Just click on download here. So immediately you click on download. Okay, so it will start downloading. So I don't want to download it because I have it in my phone already. I will pause the download, but after downloading you will see where they ask you to install. So you go to installing, and the process is straightforward. So that is the thing. So that is how to install Vscode in your PC. So if you have any question or you are confused in the whole process, just drop a comment for me and I will address the issue as soon as I see it. So that is all for now.